IQ Twist autoplay, but first let's see what we have in the box. A carry-on case, also used for playing, a booklet with the rule and 120 challenge, 7 pegs and 8 twisted playing pieces. Some part of the piece feature rows, sometimes 1, this one has 3, this one 2. Also on the tray we have numbers from 1 to 8 and letters A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. Autoplay. Starting with the first challenge, we need to place the pegs on the game board as indicated. We have a red peg on 6B, blue on 2B and 1C, a green on 3C, a yellow 4B and 5C. Also, this piece can be placed here. Alors, you can place this piece this way or turn around the piece that come exactly the same. The goal is to place all the puzzle pieces left on the board without moving the peg. We can only place a playing piece over a peg if both are the same color. Donc, we cannot have a red peg with a yellow piece above. That's not allowed. Okay, in this puzzle, this is my 2 blue piece. Let's see, I can place a blue piece like that. That will be working. This way, absolutely not. And the only logic will be this piece. If I place a blue piece like that, I don't have another blue, like you can see, to go there. So this is my first piece. The blue piece can be placed like that. Here I have green peg. Donc this piece can work. No, for the yellow peg, I have this piece, but if I do that, I cannot place this piece. No, the only way is to place this yellow piece like that. Okay, a red peg. If I place red like that, work this one, and finally the last piece. Donc it's working. Donc challenge solved. If we take another challenge, let's see, challenge 60. I'm going to remove all the pieces. Okay, what do we have? A red peg on 4A, blue peg on 1B, 2A for a green peg, and 2C for a yellow peg. Donc same, we need to solve this puzzle. Okay, like you can see, this piece never going to work. Okay. I'm going to use this piece. Okay, green piece. This one never going to work. Donc the only way is this piece. I can place this piece this way, or maybe this way. But which yellow piece I can place? This will be not working. That's not the right way. Donc I'm going to place this piece like that. Okay, I can place the yellow piece here, but I don't have another piece to place here. No, this one is not good. The only way is for this piece. No, the red peg. I can have this one like that, or maybe like that. If I do that, I can place the red here, but I have a problem. I have maybe the yellow and the green. Yes, that works. That works. And that's it's working. And I don't think there is another solution. This piece does not work. That is the only way for the red. This, like you can see, you can try. That's not working. That is the correct solutions. Okay. If you struggle to find the solutions, at the end of the booklet, you're going to find all the solutions for the different challenges. If you like the IQ game, you can check the video on the screen. Another fun and amazing IQ puzzle.